In software engineering, I create code to make websites, create applications for like phones or for games. And also you can do artificial intelligence. So you can teach machines to learn on their own. And that's a big field that is coming up in my major. I was inspired to choose my major because it's very thought-provoking and requires problem-solving skills, which I think I have, and I really like to solve problems and find logical solutions. I really like creating code, and when I get a working product, I feel accomplished. Currently, I'm actually in a senior project class, and we are working on a website for the Federal Reserve for their cafeteria, and people can order ahead of time and order their deli sandwiches. There's a bunch of different steps. You need to first create a server that the website can run on. You need to create a client side where that's what the people view and see on the web page. And then you also need to create a database that holds all the data of like the sandwiches or ingredients and all that and their orders. I've created multiple games, such as a Gamoku game. It's where you need to get 5 tiles in a row before your opponent does. It's kind of like checkers, but not really, or Connect 4, but you can place a tile anywhere. So I've built one of those. I've done a Minesweeper game with C. And that's Minesweeper is you click a certain area, and if there's a bomb there, you lose. If not, it will tell you how many bombs are around that square. And then I've also worked on other websites, like a Pokemon database website. It shows you what your kind of Pokemon or stuff like that. I've also worked on a pizza website, so you can order a pizza from there, see everybody's orders. C is a programming language, and it's very low level compared to other programming languages. So a user might find it hard to understand at first compared to other programming languages, because other ones tend to use more English words to help describe an action or do certain things. C is used in many appliances, such as like clocks or microwaves, stuff that needs to be like fast and quick. Higher level programming language may consist of Java or Visual Basic or JavaScript and HTML. So those are more programming languages people want to start out with when they're learning to write code, because those ones are more user-friendly and easier to follow and use more English language. And those might be used for building websites with HTML and JavaScript, or building online banking services. And I know for sure Central Bank uses Visual Basic to do some of their online banking. I think I'm most proud of the Gamoku project, to be honest. I know it sounds kind of simple, but it was actually really hard and really thought-provoking. And I know a lot of my classmates actually didn't get certain parts of it working, and I was proud to say that I got all of them working. One of the hardest parts was trying to when somebody won, you needed to get a circle, a yellow highlighted circle around each of their tiles. And that was pretty hard because you had to figure out which ones allowed them to get that win, and you had to figure that out. And so that took a lot of logic. I plan on using my degree to get a career in software engineering or a career in software development. If you're interested in pursuing a degree in computer science, I would persuade you to join by saying that it's really fun when you can create fun games or fun websites, and knowing that you built them yourself is a great accomplishment and feels really great. Also, if you really like problem solving and things that are logical, then it would be great for you. And I would encourage anybody out there to come to UCM, expect great things from the computer science department, and be ready to work hard and study hard.